Are you one of the millions of people worldwide who suffer from migraines? If so, you know how debilitating and disrupting they can be to your daily life. Migraines can last for hours or even days and cause symptoms such as intense, throbbing pain, nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light and sound, and even visual disturbances. They can be so severe that they interfere with work, school, and social activities. Unfortunately, many traditional migraine treatments come with limitations, such as slow onset and inconsistent relief. But now, there's a game changer, Nurtec ODT. Understanding migraines and their impact. Migraines are not just headaches. They are a neurological condition caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Although the exact cause is still unclear, it's believed that migraines are triggered by changes in the brainstem and its interactions with the trigeminal nerve, a major pain pathway. This activation leads to the release of various neurotransmitters and inflammatory substances, causing inflammation and pain in the blood vessels and tissues surrounding the brain. Migraines can affect anyone, but they are more common in women, with a prevalence of 18% compared to 6% in men. They can also run in families, with a genetic predisposition to the condition. Migraines can be triggered by various factors, including stress, lack of sleep, hormonal changes, certain foods and drinks, and environmental changes. The impact of migraines on daily life can be significant, with people experiencing limitations in work, school, and social activities. They may need to take time off from work or school and avoid social gatherings, leading to feelings of isolation and depression. The economic burden of migraines is also substantial, with estimated costs exceeding $78 billion annually in the US alone. The limitations of traditional migraine treatments. Traditional migraine treatments include over-the-counter pain relievers, prescription medications, and lifestyle changes. These treatments can be effective for some people, but they come with limitations. Over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen and aspirin can provide mild to moderate pain relief but may not be effective for severe migraines. Prescription medications such as triptans and ergotamines can be more effective but have limitations such as slow onset, inconsistent relief, and side effects such as nausea and drowsiness. Lifestyle changes such as healthy eating, regular exercise, and stress management can also help prevent migraines, but they may not be enough to provide relief during an acute attack. Introducing Nurtec ODT, how it works. Nurtec ODT is a revolutionary migraine treatment that offers fast-acting and long-lasting relief. It is the first and only medication in its class that provides relief from multiple migraine symptoms, including pain, nausea, and sensitivity to light and sound. Its unique mechanism of action works by blocking the release of pro-inflammatory substances in the brain, reducing inflammation and pain. Nurtec ODT comes in a convenient orally disintegrating tablet that quickly dissolves in the mouth, making it easy to take anytime, anywhere. It is recommended to take Nurtec ODT as soon as possible after the onset of a migraine attack, but it can also be taken as a preventive measure. Key benefits of Nurtec ODT. Nurtec ODT offers several key benefits that make it a game-changer in migraine treatment. Fast-acting. Nurtec ODT starts working within 30 minutes of taking it, providing rapid relief when you need it most. Long-lasting. Nurtec ODT provides up to 48 hours of relief from migraine symptoms, reducing the need for frequent dosing. Comprehensive relief. Nurtec ODT not only targets pain but also other debilitating symptoms such as nausea and sensitivity to light and sound, providing complete migraine relief. Convenient. Nurtec ODT comes in a small, orally disintegrating tablet that quickly dissolves in the mouth, making it easy to take anytime, anywhere. Well tolerated. Nurtec ODT is generally well tolerated, with few side effects reported. Clinical trials and effectiveness of Nurtec ODT. Clinical trials have shown that Nurtec ODT is highly effective in relieving migraine symptoms. In a Phase 3 clinical trial, Nurtec ODT provided pain relief to 51% of patients within 60 minutes of taking it, compared to 29% of patients who took a placebo. Nurtec ODT also provided sustained pain relief for up to 48 hours, reducing the need for rescue medication. Another Phase 3 clinical trial showed that Nurtec ODT provided relief from other migraine symptoms such as nausea, photophobia, and phonophobia, in addition to pain relief. How to take Nurtec ODT. Dosage and administration. Nurtec ODT is available in a 75 mg strength tablet. The recommended dosage is 1 tablet taken as soon as possible after the onset of a migraine attack. If the migraine symptoms return or persist, a second tablet can be taken after 2 hours, but no more than 2 tablets should be taken within 24 hours. Nurtec ODT should not be taken more than once a day and should not be used for prophylaxis. It should be taken without water and allowed to dissolve in the mouth before swallowing. Safety and side effects of Nurtec ODT. Nurtec ODT is generally well tolerated, with few side effects reported in clinical trials. The most common side effects reported were nausea, stomach upset, and indigestion. These side effects were mild to moderate in severity and resolved on their own in most cases. Nurtec ODT should not be taken by people with severe hepatic impairment or end-stage renal disease. It should also be used with caution in people with moderate hepatic impairment or mild to moderate renal impairment. Like any medication, Nurtec ODT may cause side effects, although they tend to be mild and transient. Common side effects include nausea. Some users may experience mild nausea, which typically subsides quickly. Indigestion. Indigestion or dyspepsia is another potential side effect, but it is usually mild and manageable. Upper respiratory tract infection. In some cases, individuals may develop an upper respiratory tract infection. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider if you experience any side effects or have concerns about using Nurtec ODT. They can provide guidance on managing side effects or suggest alternative migraine treatments if needed. Patient testimonials. Real-life experiences with Nurtec ODT. Patients who have used Nurtec ODT have reported significant improvements in migraine symptoms and overall quality of life. They have praised Nurtec ODT for its fast-acting and long-lasting relief, as well as its convenience and ease of use. One patient reported, "Nurtec ODT has been a game-changer for me. I used to suffer from migraines for days, but now I can take Nurtec ODT at the first sign of an attack and get back to my day without interruption." Another patient said, "I love how easy Nurtec ODT is to take. I don't have to worry about swallowing pills or carrying water with me. It dissolves quickly in my mouth and provides fast relief." Conclusion: is Nurtec ODT the right migraine treatment for you? If you suffer from migraines, Nurtec ODT may be the game changer you've been waiting for. Its fast-acting and long-lasting relief, convenience, and comprehensive symptom relief make it a top choice for migraine treatment. However, as with any medication, it's essential to speak with your healthcare provider to determine if Nurtec ODT is right for you. Your healthcare provider can help you weigh the benefits and risks and provide personalized treatment recommendations based on your individual needs and medical history. Don't let migraines control your life any longer. Try Nurtec ODT and experience the freedom of effective migraine relief. Nurtec ODT represents a significant breakthrough in the world of migraine treatment. With its rapid onset of action, extended relief, and convenience, it has become a beacon of hope for those living with migraines. However, as with any medical treatment, it's essential to work closely with a healthcare provider to determine if Nurtec ODT is the right choice for your migraine management. For many, Nurtec ODT is changing the narrative of migraine attacks, offering the possibility of quicker relief and improved quality of life in the midst of these often debilitating episodes. Thanks for watching.